We're looking at an Automatic Electric Company telephone. It's a 3-slot payphone, and it's been set up for use in a house. It is no longer a payphone. You can hang this phone in your house and be the only person on your block with a payphone that acts as like a real phone. So 2 or 3 things are important. It has to dial out, it has to ring in, and you have to be, and it has to be able to fool your friends so that they'll put money in here. So let's look at a couple of things first. This coin return, it doesn't do anything. I mean, it looks just like a coin return, but the way this is set up now for home use is when you put money in here, it's going to drop straight through down here. And you're thinking, well, how am I going to get my money back out of it? It's been converted for home use, so since most people probably don't have keys for these old telephones, modifications have been made. Watch this. See, there's a screwdriver right here. We're just going to put it in there, and I'm just pulling forward. Just get a little leverage, pull forward, and oh, look at there. This comes off. This is steel, and there's a magnet right there. There would be a coin box in here, but the coin box is long gone. So when you put money in these slots, it just falls straight through down in here, and you know, you can tell your friends, you know, leave a dime on the telephone. And this comes off easily. Just put that back. And hey, I know what. Let's see if it'll ring in. I got a cell phone right here. We're going to call this phone. This phone is attached to the same place all the other phones are attached to. So when it rings, I'm going to have to hit the mute button on this because this thing is so loud you'll never hear this ring. So here we go. Can you hear that ringing? Let's wait one more ring and pick it up in the middle. Oh, there we go. Off hook, ringing stopped. All right. Now, the next question you might have is, well, does it dial out? Sure it does. Watch this. Now, I'm going to call this cell phone. Of course, I'm not going to give you the number for it, so here we go. And we'll see if this cell phone rings. There we go. How about that?
Call from home.
All right, got a call from home. All right, you can well say no thank you. So we got a dial tone. We can dial out. We can dial in. We can sucker our friends to put money in here and not tell them that this comes off. And you just say, well, I don't know. I've never had that off. And then that thing will just load up with money and this phone will pay for itself. I'm telling you. So that's about it. Look at the description on the auction for details specific to the phone. This video was just to show you that it works.